Last class, we stopped with the sign every month. Today, we're ready to start with the sign every year. Next is the sign for every Monday. Any day of the week can be an every day. All you have to do is change your hand shape so that it mimics the day of the week. So how you sign the day of the week, you just use that same hand shape. And you start at the top of your signing space and you pull it down. So every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, every Thursday, every Friday, every Saturday, every Sunday. The next one is the sign for every weekend. Every weekend. Every weekend. The next one is the sign for 4-4. In class, we talked about the difference between 4 and 4-4. Remember, this is similar to do. It's interpreted as a question because we use facials. What are you doing? Same concept as this, because I'm using my WH facial expression. It's used as a question. What for, or why did you do that? Okay. The next one, never. The next one, sometimes. The next one, to use. To use. Okay, we're ready to start the section or this title of chores. The first one, to change. To change. The next one is the sign for chores or duties. Again, chores or duties. And the last one to round out our 10 for today, clean or dust. Clean or dust. Let's go back and review real quick. The 10, every year, every Monday, every weekend, 4-4, never, sometimes, to use, to change, chores or duties, clean dust.